Buying a car from a private seller in India involves several steps. Here's a general guide. Steps to buy a car from a private seller in India. Research. Decide on the type of car you want, set a budget, and research the market for available options. Contact the seller. Once you find a suitable car, get in touch with the seller to arrange a meeting to inspect the vehicle. Inspect the car. Physically inspect the car to ensure it meets your expectations. Check the condition, mileage, service history, and documents. It's a good idea to take a mechanic along for a professional inspection. Negotiate the price. Negotiate with the seller regarding the price. Consider factors like the car's condition, market value, and any repairs needed. Transfer of ownership. If you decide to proceed with the purchase, ensure all necessary documents are available. This typically includes the car's registration certificate, insurance, pollution under control certificate, and any other relevant documents. Payment. Pay the seller as per your agreed upon terms. It's recommended to use a mode of payment that allows for traceability, such as a bank transfer or check, to have a record of the transaction. Transfer of documents. Both parties should complete the necessary paperwork for the transfer of ownership. This includes filling out the relevant forms for the transfer of ownership at the Regional Transport Office, RTO. The seller needs to provide a No Objection Certificate, NOC, from the RTO. RTO transfer. Visit the nearest RTO with the required documents, including the RC book, insurance, PUC certificate, sale agreement, Form 29 and Form 30, for transfer of ownership, along with identity, address proofs and passport-sized photographs. Pay the applicable transfer fee and taxes. Obtain acknowledgement. After submitting the documents, ensure you receive an acknowledgement receipt. This serves as proof that you've initiated the transfer process. Completion of transfer. The RTO will verify the documents and process the transfer. Once completed, you'll receive a new RC in your name. Remember, buying a car from a private seller involves certain risks. Always verify the authenticity of the documents, the seller's identity, and the vehicle's history before making any payments. It's also advisable to conduct the transaction in a safe and public place. Consider bringing a friend or family member along for added security during the process.